Welcome to Digital Marketing. I'm Joanne Sciarrino, Knight Chair of Digital Advertising and Marketing at UNC Chapel Hill and the professor for this course. Although I'm now a full-time academic, I spent the majority of my nearly 30-year career as a marketing practitioner in consulting, agency, and brand-side roles. Prior to coming to UNC, I served as the Executive Vice President of BBDO North America, where for more than a decade, I advised some of the world's largest brands, such as AT&T, Starbucks, FedEx, Hyatt, and L'Oreal, just to name a few. Now let me tell you about the course and why I'm so thrilled to have the opportunity to guide you through it. For those of us that have been in the marketing trenches for a few decades, digital marketing was a term that was coined in the 1990s to describe the use of digital channels to promote brands, products, or services. But I can tell you that after 15 years of concentrated experience with digital, the very best marketers have realized that digital marketing isn't just a channel. In fact, it's a way to create one-to-one relationships with consumers in real time. This is an important distinction, and one that I hope you will take to heart, as it will distinguish this course from others by the same name. Put simply, digital marketing isn't a channel or a tactic. Rather, it's a discipline that puts the customer at the center for the purpose of promoting brands, creating products, building preference, and increasing sales. I've been teaching this course to MBAs as well as a modified version to undergraduates for more than 3 years. I've structured the course around 5 modules that comprise the most useful practitioner tools, cases, and exercises. Admittedly, the course is heavy-handed in tools over concepts that I've learned from my years as a practitioner so that you'll be able to immediately apply what you've learned in your careers. So, how can you be successful in this course? Well, first of all, be attentive to learn well and especially understand the nuances. Second, participate in all the opportunities you have and push yourself to engage with other students to facilitate a robust class dialogue in the synchronous sessions. And lastly, do a great job on the assignments and the in-class exercises. Will this be a challenging course? Yes, it will. But it will not be an impossible course. And more importantly, at the end of this course, if you're like the hundreds of other students before you that have taken this course, you'll walk away with practical, useful tools, knowledge, that will all advance your career. So, I look forward to meeting you and being your guide on this amazing digital marketing journey. Thank you.